Hello everyone, today we are going to give you a brief presentation about what is wireless power transmission and how it works. This presentation is prepared by group members Hemant Zope, Dhruvil Solanki and Nitesh Sawant under guidance of Dr. Saurabh Mehta. What is wireless power transmission? As the name suggests wireless, it doesn't need wires, and power transmission means transmission of power from one place to another place. So basically the transmission of energy from one place to another without using wires. Conventional energy transfer is using wires, but the wireless transmission is made possible by using various technologies. Why not wires? As per studies, most electrical energy transfer is through wires. Most of the energy loss is during transmission. On an average, more than 30%. In India, it exceeds 40%. It also makes system complex where many number of wires are used. Why wireless power transmission? Because it is reliable, it is efficient, it is fast, it has low maintenance cost and can be used for short range or long range energy transfer. The principle of wireless power transmission is energy coupling. The transfer of energy is divided into two parts, magnetic coupling and inductive coupling. We have seen a very good example of inductive coupling, that is transformer, simplest wireless energy coupling device. Types and technologies of wireless power transmission. There are basically two types, near field technique and far field technique. In near field technique, distance vary from few centimeters to few meters. In far field technique, distance vary from few meters to kilometers. First type of near field technique is inductive coupling. Here energy is induced from one coil to another coil. Primary and secondary coil are not connected to each other. Energy transfer is due to mutual induction. It is the same principle used in transformers. Resonance inductive coupling. It is a combination of inductive coupling and resonance. Two objects to interact have a fixed resonance frequency at which maximum energy transfer takes place, giving out maximum efficiency. Resonance makes two objects interact very strong. This is the example of resonance inductive coupling. Advantages of near field technique. If we move on to wireless power transmission, there won't be need of wires, there won't be e-waste, needs for battery will be eliminated, efficient energy transfer will be achieved using resonance inductive coupling. It is harmless if the field strengths are under safety levels, maintenance cost is less. Disadvantages are distance constant because it depends on distance between the two objects. Field strengths have to be under safety level. Initial cost is high. In resonance inductive coupling, tuning is difficult. High frequency signals must be supplied and air ionization technique is not feasible. Far field energy transfer. As the distance here is large, it needs high power. So the high power will be radiative. This energy transfer needs line of sight. It uses laser or microwave. It aims at high power transmission. A Tesla tower was built for this. First type of far field energy transfer is microwave power transfer. Here microwaves are used for power transfer through long distances which are in line of sight. Electrical energy is first converted to microwave energy, then it is directed toward destination and captured using retina. This retina rectifies the microwave energy and converts them to electrical energy back. Second type is laser transmission. Properties of laser such as high directivity and coherentness are used for transmission. It neither get dispersed while traveling long distances nor get attenuated due to atmosphere. At receiver, photovoltaic cells are used to convert this laser beam back to electrical energy. Solar power satellites. In this system, a satellite is placed in geostationary orbit which gathers solar energy available in the space and direct it on the Earth's surface. Where receivers are placed, these receivers convert this energy into electrical energy. Advantages of far field energy transfer. It is efficient, it is easy, need for grids and substations are eliminated, low maintenance cost, more effective when the transmission and receiving points are along line of sight, can reach the places which are remote. Disadvantages of far-field energy transfer: as energy needed is high, it is radiative, it needs line of sight, initial cost is high, when lasers are used, conversion is inefficient, absorption loss is high, when microwaves are used, interference may arise, and fright bird effect takes place. Application of near-field energy transfer: it can be used in electric automobile charging, which may be static or moving, consumer electronic appliances such as mixers and day-to-day kitchen appliances. It can be used in industrial purpose, that is in harsh environment. Far field energy transfer: solar power satellites, we can provide energy to remote areas, can broadcast energy globally in future. Imagine world without e-waste. There won't be wires. Needs for batteries will be eliminated. Chargers will be wireless. These are some ongoing wireless power transfer projects. Maglev train, which is used in Japan, uses the principle of magnetic coupling. Here a train is moved with magnet and energy is transferred into train by magnetic induction. This is a wireless house. In future, one router-like device will be placed in the center of the house, which points beam of lasers to each devices which requires energy, and energy will be transferred without wires. This will decrease wires and efficiency will be achieved. Fuel-less greener transport: as we can see, the bus is moving. There are recharge stations available at fixed distance which keeps the bus recharging, and even the underground coils which are placed below the roads keeps the bus charging, so that the bus won't come to halt. Solar beam: as we can see, the huge solar panels collect the sunlight in the space and direct it on the retina, which is on the earth. Here the retina is basically an array of photovoltaic cells which converts this light energy into electrical energy.
Power by Proxy presents the future of wireless power with our in-device battery and integrated charging solutions for a range of everyday electronic devices. Power by Proxy is the industry leader in the design and integration of miniaturized wireless power technology to enable convenient charging of millions of consumer devices, from smartphones to remotes, cameras, toys, and more. Our integrated charging solution for smartphones and tablets is the most flexible wireless charging platform of its kind. Aside from offering full spatial freedom for the placement of devices, we integrate the receiver directly into smartphone or tablet, removing the need for added charging cases or sleeves. Our in-device wirelessly rechargeable battery solution is the ultimate charging system, adding wireless charging functionality to millions of everyday electronic devices. To enable in-device charging, Power by Proxy has developed the first wirelessly rechargeable AA battery, which houses the world's smallest wireless power receivers. Our patented three-dimensional charging platform allows users to simultaneously store and charge any number of electronic devices, including remotes, cameras, and gaming devices. We believe that our in-device battery solution is the first step towards making wireless power truly pervasive in the home, increasing both the accessibility of the technology and providing greater convenience to ensure all your devices are always charged. Power by Proxy solutions are completely safe to use and are designed so they won't interfere with the normal operation of your phone or respective electronic device. In the future, a specialized app will further simplify the time and thought that goes into the charging process. Users will be able to access information on the location and charge level of their devices, with the ability to set alerts for when battery power is running low. Power by proxy technology can be used throughout the home to provide a more flexible and convenient cordless alternative to traditional connector-based power solutions. All our solutions are based on a loosely coupled design which enables for charging of multiple devices at the same time. Power by proxy, leading the development of flexible, convenient wireless charging solutions for electronic devices.
Conclusions: transmission without wires a reality. It is efficient, low maintenance cost but high initial cost, better than conventional wire transfer, energy crisis can be decreased, low loss. In near future, world will be completely wireless. These are references. Thank you.